Good morning, everyone. So today we are in Badian in Cebu. We're pretty much right on the border between Badian and Moalboal. I think it's only like 3 minutes to get into Moalboal from here. We arrived here at like 9 p.m. so it was pitch black, so we didn't see the place where we're staying at all. We even booked it like just at night, like 1 hour before we arrived. So yeah, this is all pretty unexpected at the moment. And we've come to a place, it's called Buga's Lake House Resort. Right now this isn't the lake, this is actually the ocean. So the resort is right next to the coast here. So yeah, you can see it's pretty awesome here. Got like mangroves and stuff over here. Good morning, Carol.
Good morning.
You expect this?
No.
And you can see behind me here, so this is the freshwater lake. Pretty interesting, it's small, but seems to be really deep. So this place also has this little area here for some like little simple breakfasts. So I'm gonna get this one here, small breakfast, 80 pesos, just over $1, and Carol's getting big breakfast, just over $2. And as always, there's a doggo. Hello, doggo. Carol, have we stayed at a place yet without a dog?
No.
Every single place has a dog, right? It just got better because we have puppies. Hello. And the breakfast looks pretty good actually. Got a huge portion on the big breakfast.
Big breakfast.
Big breakfast, yeah. But this is all I wanted anyway, a nice simple one. Breakfast time for the dog. Here.
Oh, meu Deus do céu, deu morrendo.
There we go. So if it couldn't get better, the owner said you can actually jump into this little lake. So yeah, we got our cliff jumping included as well. So I'm gonna jump from here right now. Pretty high actually. You doing it, Carol?
No, no way.
No way? I am.
Yeah, go. Okay, you okay?
It's awesome, right?
Yeah.
So he told me I think there's an underground river over there.
Oh.
So it's not rainwater, it's natural river. That's just crazy that you get this included.
Yeah.
All right, now first person. Let's do this.
Woo!
Yeah, this is what you call a hidden gem. These are the kind of like jumping pools that people go to and stuff, and it's just right here on the resort. Crazy. Looks pretty awesome. Go on, Carol. No. So what I forgot to mention, this resort is only $15, which is crazy. Apparently it's so cheap because they're still like constructing other rooms. So that's why it's so cheap, because yeah, obviously this place ain't gonna stay that cheap for that long. You got seafront there, you can swim in the sea. Got this crazy little natural pool. And yeah, great breakfast. Even the room's really good as well. So yeah, just such a crazy find. Here comes Carol. All right, Carol has decided she's gonna jump from the highest cliff here. Take it away, Carol. Nice. Temperature's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice and cool. So I was expecting this opening at the resort to be like 1 minute or something as usual. Didn't expect to be spending a few hours here like this. Awesome chill spot.
I have a feeling that like something's gonna come from inside the lake.
Crocodile.
Like a crocodile or a snake or something.
We're going to finally head out now. We just rented a scooter once again at the same resort. I think it was 380 pesos, which is just around $7 US a day. So now we're going to be heading to one of the beaches, the popular beaches here. So we've come to Panag Sama Beach. It's supposed to be really popular with like snorkeling and stuff. We just got some snorkeling gear. It was 100 per mask, so that's $2 each to rent the mask. And apparently it's just swim out here and you're gonna see some pretty cool stuff. It's supposed to also have like sardines here, so that's what I'm really hoping to see. We'll see. So I thought I'd take a break on this boat. Easily some of the most surreal snorkeling that I've ever done. Absolutely insane, the amount of sardines. It's like millions and millions. Just crazy, just unbelievable. Way more amazing than I expected. So we're just taking a break now. Probably was in there for like 30-40 minutes just swimming around. All the tour boats came though, so we just decided to take a break. Probably go back in again once the tours go. So the way we've done it is pretty much the cheapest way to swim with the sardines, because we haven't done any tour. We just rented a mask from a store nearby. Yeah, and then $2, just go in and then see turtles, jellyfish, and yeah, so many sardines. What do you think, Carol?
Oh, it's amazing. Never seen something like that. Like a lot of fish.
Yeah, we've done snorkeling tours in other countries and stuff, but nothing compared to that.
Yeah.
That was like unbelievable, wasn't it?
Yeah, and you don't have to go anywhere, just come to the beach and that's it.
Yeah, it's literally right next to the beach. Like, you can see all these people here. That's where all the sardines are, so even if you don't like swimming that much, yeah, you can still see them. It's crazy. So basically you just gotta look for this yellow pier here, and all the sardine area is here. It seems to be always here. And there's a little alleyway next to this blue, I don't know, restaurant thing. So this is the spot right here. Round 2. So we finished our second round of the snorkeling with the sardines. Probably even more amazing than the first time that we did it. And now we're just back at our place again where I started the video off. We just come down to the seafront here. We're gonna watch the sunset. See, now the shoreline's way further out. Seems to be people collecting stuff. I'm not quite sure what they're collecting. Going to close the vlog out now. It's always nice to end it with a sunset, and yeah, it's been a really awesome day, right? We had the unexpected resort here, really awesome resort. I'll link it in the description. I also like the fact that we stayed here, because when we went to Moalboal today, it's kind of chaotic there, the city. I don't like it. So yeah, here's way more chill. And yeah, obviously the sardines, me and Carol said, right, it was like the best snorkeling we've ever done, probably. Pretty amazing stuff. And tomorrow we're going to do the other popular thing here, which is the canyoneering. A lot of you guys have been telling me that I needed to do it. I already knew about it before I even came to the Philippines, so it was on my list. So we just organized that with the resort here, and yeah, that's what's going to come in tomorrow's video. Hopefully it's as good as I'm expecting it to be. So as always, drop a like on this video to support me, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.